Hello, everyone, and welcome to Everyday English Club. Have you ever wondered why some people become fluent in English so quickly, while others study for years without seeing real progress? Is there a secret? Is it talent? Or is there something else that makes all the difference? Today, I'm going to share the powerful principles that can help you learn English faster than you ever imagined. These lessons are simple, practical, and they can completely change the way you learn. So, if you're ready to improve your English with confidence, let's begin. When I was young, I didn't have money. I didn't have expensive courses. I didn't have famous teachers or the best schools. But I had one thing that changed everything: a strong desire to learn English. People laughed at me. They said, "Why are you spending so much time learning another language?" But deep inside, I knew something they didn't. English is more than just a language. It is a bridge to new opportunities. It helps you connect with people around the world, discover new ideas, and build a better future. I didn't have many resources. No large libraries, no fast internet, no expensive books. But I had passion. And passion kept me moving forward, even when learning felt difficult.
If you truly want to learn English fast, you don't need to be born talented. You don't need to come from a wealthy family. You don't need to memorize thousands of grammar rules. What you really need is the right mindset, consistent practice, and the courage to keep going. Because success in English doesn't depend on where you start. It depends on whether you refuse to give up.
Lesson 1. Love the language. The first lesson is simple. If you want to learn English quickly, you must enjoy the learning process. Many students see English as a difficult school subject. They open a grammar book and immediately feel stressed. They study only because they have to pass an exam or complete an assignment. But learning works differently. When you enjoy something, your brain learns faster. When you're curious, your mind stays open. That's why the fastest learners aren't always the smartest. They're the people who genuinely enjoy learning. They celebrate every new word. They feel excited when they understand a conversation. They smile when they recognize a sentence they couldn't understand before. Instead of treating English like homework, treat it like a friend. Spend time with it every day. Listen to it. Read it. Speak it. The more time you spend with English, the more natural it becomes.
Lesson 2. Speak more than you study. Many learners spend years reading grammar books, but rarely open their mouths. That's one of the biggest mistakes. English is not just knowledge. English is communication. Books teach rules, but conversations build fluency. Don't wait until your English is perfect before you start speaking. Speak today. Talk with your friends. Practice with teachers. Join online conversations. Or simply speak to yourself in front of a mirror. Making mistakes is completely normal. Every mistake teaches you something new. Remember this: broken English spoken with confidence is far more valuable than perfect English that is never spoken. Every sentence you speak trains your brain to think faster. And little by little, speaking English becomes natural. One day, you'll realize something amazing. You're no longer studying English. You're living it.
Lesson 3. Think in English. One habit slows down almost every learner: translation. Many people hear an English sentence, translate it into their own language, think about it, and then translate their answer back into English. This takes time. Instead, begin thinking directly in English. When you feel thirsty, think, I need some water. When you see a dog, simply think, that's a dog. These small habits may feel uncomfortable at first, but with daily practice, your brain adapts. Soon, English becomes your natural way of thinking instead of something you constantly translate. And that's when real fluency begins. Lesson 3. Think in English. One habit slows down almost every learner: translation. Many people hear an English sentence, translate it into their own language, think about it, and then translate their answer back into English. This takes time. Instead, begin thinking directly in English. When you feel thirsty, think, I need some water. When you see a dog, simply think, that's a dog. These small habits may feel uncomfortable at first, but with daily practice, your brain adapts. Soon, English becomes your natural way of thinking instead of something you constantly translate. And that's when real fluency begins.
Lesson 4. Make English part of your daily life. If you really want to learn English fast, don't limit it to your study time. Bring English into your everyday life. Change your phone's language to English. Use English on your laptop. Follow English-speaking creators on social media. Listen to English podcasts while walking, cooking, or traveling. Read short articles before going to bed. The more you surround yourself with English, the more comfortable your brain becomes. Think about how children learn their first language. They don't memorize grammar rules. They hear the language every single day. Eventually, speaking becomes natural. You can create the same environment for yourself. You don't need to live in an English-speaking country. You can build your own English world wherever you are.
Lesson 5. Practice every day. Many people believe they need 5 or 6 hours every day to become fluent. That simply isn't true. Consistency is much more powerful than long study sessions. Even 30 focused minutes every day can produce amazing results. Read a short article. Watch one English video. Learn a few new words. Write a small paragraph. Speak for 5 minutes. These small habits may seem simple, but they create powerful progress over time. Remember, language learning is like exercising. You don't become stronger by working out once a month. You become stronger by showing up every single day. The same is true with English. Daily practice creates confidence. Daily practice creates fluency. Daily practice creates success.
Lesson 6. Don't be afraid of mistakes. One of the biggest reasons people stop improving is fear. They worry about making mistakes. They worry that others will laugh. But mistakes are not failures. Mistakes are lessons. Think about a child learning to walk. The child falls again and again. But every fall brings the child closer to walking confidently. Learning English works exactly the same way. Every mistake teaches your brain something valuable. Every conversation makes you stronger. So don't hide your voice. Speak even when you're nervous. Speak even when your grammar isn't perfect. Confidence doesn't come before speaking. Confidence comes because of speaking. The more you practice, the more confident you become.
Lesson 7. Learn through things you love. Learning English should never feel like a punishment. The fastest learners connect English with their hobbies. If you love movies, watch them in English. If you enjoy music, learn the lyrics of your favorite songs. If you love sports, watch English commentary. If you enjoy cooking, follow English recipes.
When learning becomes enjoyable, your brain pays more attention. You remember vocabulary more easily. You understand expressions naturally. And before you realize it, English becomes part of your everyday entertainment, instead of just another subject to study. That's one of the biggest secrets of fast learners. They don't force themselves to study English. They enjoy living with English. And that's exactly why they improve so quickly. Lesson 7. Learn through things you love. Learning English should never feel like a punishment. The fastest learners connect English with their hobbies. If you love movies, watch them in English. If you enjoy music, learn the lyrics of your favorite songs. If you love sports, watch English commentary. If you enjoy cooking, follow English recipes. When learning becomes enjoyable, your brain pays more attention. You remember vocabulary more easily. You understand expressions naturally. And before you realize it, English becomes part of your everyday entertainment, instead of just another subject to study. That's one of the biggest secrets of fast learners. They don't force themselves to study English. They enjoy living with English. And that's exactly why they improve so quickly.
Lesson 9. Build small habits that last. Many learners dream of becoming fluent overnight. But fluency is not created in one day. It is built through small actions repeated every single day. Learn 5 new words. Read 1 page. Listen to 1 podcast episode. Watch 1 short English video. Write a few sentences in your journal. Speak English for just 5 minutes. These habits may seem small today, but after 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, you'll be amazed by how much you've improved. Success isn't about doing something extraordinary once. It's about doing ordinary things consistently. Small habits create big results. Final message. If you've been searching for the fastest way to learn English, remember this. There is no magic shortcut. There is no secret formula. The real secret is consistency. Love the language. Practice every day. Speak without fear. Think in English. Learn through the things you enjoy. And never let mistakes stop you. Every fluent English speaker was once a beginner. The only difference is that they kept going. You can do the same. Believe in yourself. Trust the process and keep moving forward, 1 conversation at a time. Your English will improve. Your confidence will grow. And one day, you'll look back and realize how far you've come. Thank you so much for spending your time with Everyday English Club. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next English lesson. Tell us in the comments, which tip are you going to start using today? We'd love to hear from you. Keep practicing, keep believing, and remember, every single day is another opportunity to become a better English speaker. I'll see you in the next lesson. Until then, take care, stay confident, and keep learning with Everyday English Club.